Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your image or your video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use this website to remove watermark. You can go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, anyeraser.media.io, and after that you can look into this website to use this website's tools to remove watermark. And here I have logged in and I'm going to upload my video right here. For example, I'm going to remove watermark from my video. I'm going to select the video from my computer. Wait guys, I'm still searching the video. Okay, this one. Click on open. And then if we want to remove watermark, we can draw on the watermark like this. Okay, then we can click on remove objects now. And just wait for a moment. Our watermark will be removed automatically. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the watermark has been removed from my video, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Okay, and if you want to download it, you can click on download and the video will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from image or video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.